On the Zuma 50, when I'm rebuilding the exhaust here, there is a copper O-ring that is sitting here. I don't know if you see it very good. Let me see. Okay, you can see it a little bit. Anyway, it's up there. And I put some a little bit of the thread stuff, which is the this copper anarchies on the threads, which is nice to do. On the exhaust, whatever kind of exhaust you have, this is the very best stuff. It's called Mega Copper, and it's by Permatex. This one is Ultra Black, temperature RVV, silicone maker. I mean, whatever. This is a very good one. If you're going to do it right, get this Mega Copper, high temperature silicone gasket maker. And if you are going to take one of these off and keep your bike, reorder a new crush washer. You don't need to do it, but it's nice to have one around, because one day they may stop making. So I put the NACs on the screws, on the places where it's supposed to go. You want to put a little bit of something in here so that it will fit on the pipe right there. And after that, I'm going to fire it up and see if it works. And I'm going to check all my fluids, because I'm getting ready to put it away for the winter. And one more tip I have for you. If you were going to put this away for the winter, you can do two things to keep rust out of your gas tank. Right here. Either fill it completely full of gas, or petrol, or whatever you call it in your country, so that the gasoline doesn't expose any metal inside that can be rusted, or completely empty it, which I don't recommend. Another thing Americans have done, which I tried this once and it didn't work too well, but this has been told me by a lot of people. Alright, this stuff is called, I want to get a good background here somewhere. Damn it. Backgrounds are very important when you make videos. Okay, this is called seafoam. And for gas, diesel engines, cleans carburetors, this and that. It's what it's meant for in the car, truck, bikes, outboards, motors, things like that, is that you put a little bit of this into your fuel, and it's supposed to keep the fuel from going stale, like stale beer. And it's supposed to really help. So if you put like a little cap full of it into your gasoline here, right there, it's supposed to really help. When it is, when you take your bike and put it away for 6 months during the cold winter. All right, I'm gonna get this exhaust pipe on with my arthritic hands. When you get old, it kind of sucks. I can't open that finger anymore. Any more than that. These other two I had surgery on, but both my index fingers just don't work. Anyway, that's just due to old age. Okay, I'm going to listen to some tunes, listen to some ELO and 50 greatest hits from 1975. God, it's 50 years ago. And then I'm going to start her up and check everything.